Hello friends, today we're going to look at a great strategy that's based on 4 indicators. This strategy works really well for beginners. Make sure to watch the video from start to finish, because I'm going to try growing my balance using this strategy, starting with just $30. Let's get started. So guys, first of all we need to set up our chart. Also we need to add our 4 indicators. The first one will be the Supertrend. We need to add this indicator to the chart. Then I go to settings. Here we set the period to 10 and multiplier to 3, and then we can click save. The next indicator will be Parabolic SAR. Here we go to settings and we need to set the acceleration to 0.02 and maximum acceleration to 0.2. Then we go to styles, and here I want to make this indicator yellow and a little bit thicker. Okay, the next indicator will be, for example, ADX. We add this to the chart, and here we need to change the smoothing to 7 and the length to 7 too. Then we go to styles, and here I need to left only the main ADX line, so we turn off the plus and the minus lines. And the final indicator will be RSI. Here we go to settings and set the period to 7. Also then we go to styles, and here we need to turn off the top and the bottom lines. So we need to left only the line on 50 level. Okay, now we need to set expiration time to 1 minute, because we will open only 1 minute trades here right now. Then we need to set candles chart type, and also we will use 15 seconds time frame. It is very important to get clear signals for 1 minute. And the final step, we need to choose the asset. So you can use any asset that you want as usual. Just try to use assets with the highest payout. I always try to use assets with 92% payout just to get more money. And after that, we're ready to start our trading session. Also guys, I've posted 23 free trading lessons in my Telegram channel. There you'll find everything you need to start trading, from the basics to more advanced stuff like trading psychology and how to create your own trading system. You can join my Telegram by clicking the link in the comments or scanning the QR code on the screen. Go check it and start learning. Now let's talk about the trade. So right now I've opened a trade, a down trade. We can see that the Supertrend indicator is giving us a sell signal. There is a red line and it shows sell. Also, the SAR indicator is showing dots above the price, which is another good sign of a downtrend. Looking at the ADX indicator, we can see that the value is above 20. This means the current trend is strong enough, so it's safe to trade in the same direction. And finally, the RSI indicator is below the 50 level, which is another confirmation for a down trade. And as you can see, the first trade closed in profit. Alright guys, I'm opening a second trade on the same chart. So as you saw, the previous trade closed in profit. And before entering a new trade, it's a good idea to wait at least 1 minute. If nothing changes on the chart during that time, no trend reversal, no big moves, then it's okay to enter the next trade. It's always better to wait a bit before opening another position on the same chart. Now looking at the current situation, nothing has really changed. The Supertrend and SAR indicators are still showing a strong downtrend. The ADX indicator also shows a very strong movement. It's getting close to 70 level, which means the trend is pretty powerful. RSI is also still below the 50 level, so that confirms the downtrend as well. That's why I've opened another down trade here. Let's wait for the result of this one. And if this trade also closes in profit, I will try to open an up trade next, just to show you how we work with an uptrend. And as you can see, one more trade closes in profit, and now I can continue. Alright guys, I found a good setup to open a buy trade. As you can see, we've got a buy signal from the Supertrend indicator. That signal is confirmed by the SAR indicator. SAR is showing dots below the price right now. Next, the ADX indicator is above the 20 level, which means the current movement is starting to gain strength. and the RSI is above the 50 level, which is also a good sign for an upward trend. So I'm entering an uptrend here, and guys, just to repeat, to enter a trade going up, we want the RSI to be above 50, we want the SAR and Supertrend trend indicators to show signals for a move up, and we want the ADX to be above 20. Since in this case we are trading with the trend, a lot of our trades will close in profit. That's exactly why I like this strategy so much. And as you can see, my third trade closes in profit, and now I can continue my trading session. Alright guys, here I'm entering a down trade, and I hope by now you already understand why I'm making this decision. Now a couple of important things. First of all, I have to remind you that everything you see on this channel is just my personal opinion and experience. This video and my content are not financial advice. That's really important to keep in mind. Second, let's talk a bit about the ADX indicator, because not everyone understands how it works. So just to repeat, the ADX indicator only shows the strength of the current trend. The higher the value, the stronger the trend. It doesn't matter if the trend is going up or down, the ADX doesn't show direction, only strength. So wherever we're entering a buy or a sell trade, we always want the ADX to be above the 20 level. Now, sometimes the market has been going up for a while, and then it starts to reverse and go down. Now let's wait a few seconds until this trade closes. I'll try to get the profit, yes. And now I will look for the next setup and continue the explanation, because the next part is really important. Alright, let's get back to the explanation. So, let's say the price on the chart was going up for a long time, and then it started to reverse. Our indicators like Supertrend and SAR begin to show sell signals. Now we check the ADX indicator and see that the value is above 20, which is good. But if the ADX line is pointing down, that means the previous uptrend is getting weaker. It's not showing strength in the new downtrend just yet. So it's better to open a trade not just ADX is above 20, but also when the ADX line is pointing up. That tells us the current trend, whatever up or down, is gaining strength. That's actually a really important detail, and it can help you increase your win rate. So definitely pay attention to that. As you can see right now, I opened a down trade, and here on this chart, I get one more profit deal. And now, guys, I can continue, and I will try to find final situation to open my final trade for today. Alright guys, I'm entering my last trade for today. It's a down trade. I really hope this video helped you learn something new and maybe discover a few useful things for you can start learning right now and seriously improve your trading skills. Believe me, the free info I've posted there is basically everything you need to start your trading journey. A couple more tips. Guys, make sure to practice as much as possible on a demo account so you can avoid mistakes when trading with real money. And always remember, trading involves high risk. If you want to find more strategies, you can watch other videos on my YouTube channel. I try to post different strategies in my videos so you can get a lot of useful information. And guys, as you can see, my final trade closed in profit. I made a pretty good result today, and I wish you the same. Trade smart, follow risk management, practice on demo, and make as much profit as you can. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. That's the best way to support me. That's it for today. See you in the next video.